إني كنت من الظالمين. لا إله إلا أنت، لا إله إلا أنت، سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. Long ago, in those glory days, you came down, showed us the way. When darkness fell, led our hearts to sleep. As kingdoms rose, we fell to grief. From shepherds to kings, we're lost in our sins. Confessed our defeat, we know our mistakes. We'll rise up again, we'll raise up our hands. We're calling you, Lord, please help us again. La ilaha